Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to find extra flints in normal lighters, how to take it out and use it for your Zippo. Okay. So the first thing is removing the child protection from the lighter, which is, I don't know, it's very simple. Take it out very carefully. And now the flame will be right over this, under the wheel. So you remove the wheel very carefully, because if you don't do that, the flame will fly over your room and you'll never find it. So it's useless. Cover with your hand and start right there. And then drag it out. Come on. It's an old lighter and okay, so there's the wheel. Take it out, and now you can see over there the flint, the lighter, and the flint, which is right here. Okay, so there it is. So now you can use this for your Zippo lighter, or you can reuse the lighter, I don't know, if you want. But anyway, this is how you take the flint out of a normal lighter and just use it for Zippo. Very easy way, you just need a tool, and that's all. So the steps: 1, remove the child protection; 2, remove the wheel, and the flint will be right over under the wheel. Again, you do that very carefully, because if you don't, the flint will fly over in your room and I don't think you will ever find it again. So anyway, this is it, and thanks for watching. See you next time.